Hi Georgia Tech faculty and freshmen. My name is Jared Borders. In the communication mode I feel like will be the most challenging for me is the visual mode, specifically in relation to the medium of student videos, which is highly ironic. This mode of communication will pose the most challenge for me due to the impact that money and experience have on creating a visually appealing final product. For example, how much money you're willing to devote affects the camera quality, the video editing software quality, or even the laptop quality on which you are editing the video itself. In addition, a person that has prior knowledge on video creation will be able to judge how to use special effects, audio, camera angles, or even video structure in order to appeal more to their audience and grab their attention. When creating my early school videos, I always felt like whatever I created was always a bit underwhelming because I was using a camera that was made around the turn of the century and a very outdated form of Windows Movie Maker. Everyone else's videos just always seemed to be higher quality, had more crystal clear image, or even just had cooler special effects that I just didn't seem to be able to grasp how to use. In order to overcome these challenges, what I need to do is to problem solve and be willing to experiment and put myself out there. If I'm solely focused on how money and experience will affect my video outcome, I leave no room for experimentation and taking risks. For example, one of my groups from high school, when creating one of our videos, we incorporated a lot of humor into our video that other groups did not use. And by doing so, we made ourselves stand out and compensated for our lack of video quality in terms of camera and editing software. And in addition, there's no shame in asking for help, whether it be through borrowing camera equipment or asking for advice on video editing, or even using the multitude of technological resources that tech allows me to use. And I'm never going to learn unless I put myself out there and try to experiment for myself. And so it may not seem like I can do it now, but the more times I try, the more things I learn and the more experience I grasp. And I hope with these solutions that I'll be able to overcome the challenges of the visual mode of communication and become a more effective communicator. Thanks so much for watching, and go Jackets!